Gearbox dismantling. Remove oiled dipstick. Use Allen key. Remove 2 Allen bolts. Remove gear shifter. Use Allen key. Loosen 4 Allen bolt. Remove engine side cover plate. Use circlip plier. Remove the circlip. Dismantle engine side cover. Loosen 11 bolts. Remove the bolts. Use a puller. Tighten puller bolt. Remove engine side cover. Main shaft assembly removal. Use circlip plier. Remove the circlip. Remove shoulder washer. Remove first speed gear. Remove second speed gear. Remove third speed gear. Remove fourth speed gear. Use suitable tool. Lock the stem and cross. Use special spanner. Loosen the stem in clockwise direction. Remove stem from the main shaft. Remove the cross. Remove the shoulder washer. Use circlip plier. Remove the circlip from bottom side of main shaft. Use circlip plier. Remove the circlip from the differential. Use ring spanner. Loosen 8 bolts. Remove the bolts. Do not use screwdriver or any other sharp edge tool to separate the cover. Dismantle the differential cover from the gearbox. Remove idler gear from differential cover. Use circlip plier. Remove the circlip of main shaft, inner side. Gently tap on the main shaft. Remove main shaft. Remove cluster gear from other side of the gearbox. Engine side. Use circlip player. Remove the circlip. Use special tool. Remove main shaft ball bearing from differential side. Disengage speedo gear with the help of screwdriver. Remove speedo gear from the housing. Place differential cover assembly on flat plate or a fixture. Use special tool. Tighten center bolt of the special tool. Remove differential assembly. Flatten the locking plates with help of a screwdriver and mallet. Use thin-walled deep socket. Loosen 6 bolts. Remove the bolts and locking plates. Remove the locking plate from other side of differential assembly. Separate FD gear or final drive gear and the differential cage assembly. Use circlip player. Remove the circlip from differential cage assembly. Remove shoulder washer. Remove first sun gear from top. Remove center pin. Remove 2 sliding gears. Remove second sun gear from bottom side. Use screwdriver. Remove the snap ring from differential bearing. Use special tool. Remove the ball bearing from gearbox cover. Differential cage sub-assembly. Install sun gears. Center pin. Sliding gears. Install the shoulder ring. Use circlip player. Lock the subassembly. Place FD gear on the fixture. Insert differential cage assembly. Install the locking plates and bolts. Use thin-walled deep socket. Tighten the bolts. Bend the locking plates to ensure positive locking of the assembly. Install locking ring plate on other side of differential. Gearbox assembly. Place differential housing on arbor press. Use special tool. Install the differential bearing. Install the snap ring. Place the differential cage subassembly on the differential housing. Use special tool. Install differential cage assembly. Place main shaft ball bearing on the housing. Use special tool. Press the bearing. Use circlip player. Install the circlip. Use suitable tool. Install speedo gear on the differential housing. Install cluster gear on differential housing. Keep the flat side towards cluster to align main shaft. Install main shaft on the housing. Use circlip player. Install the circlip on the other side of main shaft. Differential cover assembly. Install differential cover assembly on the gearbox housing. match the dowel holes, and gently tap to align the cover. Tighten 8 bolts. Use circlip player. Install the circlip on differential cage. Use circlip player. Install the circlip on the bottom side of main shaft. Install shoulder ring on the bottom side. Insert the cross in main shaft. Install the stem on main shaft in anti-clockwise direction. Engage the stem threads with the cross. Use special spanner. Tighten the stem in anti-clockwise direction. Install 4th speed gear. All speed gears should match, face to face, with cluster gear. Install 3rd speed gear. Install 2nd speed gear. Install 1st speed gear. Install shoulder ring. Install the circlip. Install engine side cover. Install 11 bolts. Tighten the bolts. Place the ball bearing on engine side cover plate area. Press the bearing with a suitable dolly. Use circlip player. Install the circlip. Place the cover plate on the bearing. Install 4 Allen screws. Keep the stem at the extreme out position. Install gear shifter assembly on engine side of gearbox. Engage stem slot with the slider box of shifter assembly. Tighten 2 Allen bolts. Install oil dipstick.